The room status is indicated in the list that the housekeeper receives at the beginning of the workday. The room could be marked vacant, occupied, in maintenance, with a Do Not Disturb sign, departing, or reserved. Before entering an occupied room, the housekeeper should knock on the door and wait for a few seconds. If the guest responds, she should wait for the guest to open the door and let her enter. If there is no response, she should open the door with a master key and announce her arrival. Secure the door so that it remains open, or put a housekeeper's sign on it, depending on the safety practice adopted by the hotel. If there is an indication "Do Not Disturb," then do not knock. You should return later to try and clean the room, and in the case that the room still has the indication "Do Not Disturb," just note the room's status on the report.